Hello, it's been a while since I made my last grammar video, so I decided to make one for you in which I'll explain how to use the pronoun both. It may seem like there is nothing difficult about it, but the truth is there are cases when people use it wrong. So how about you? Are you sure you can use it correctly? You can test your knowledge right now because I've made this video in the form of a quiz. You will see two variants with the pronoun both. So choose the option that you think is correct, but be careful, sometimes both variants are right. And then check with my explanation. So let's start the game.
Both restaurants are closed, or the both restaurants are closed. Which variant is correct? Only the first variant is correct. We do not put the definite article before both. Both is a determiner, no need to add another determiner before it. But the determiner can go after both, although it's not necessary. So it's possible to say both these restaurants are closed or both the restaurants are closed. Both of cars were damaged in the accident, or both of the cars were damaged in the accident. The second variant is correct. Both of requires a determiner, so a pronoun or the definite article is needed. Both my parents were very supportive, or both of my parents were very supportive. Both variants are correct. We can use both with a possessive pronoun plus noun, or both of plus possessive pronoun and a noun. Both of us work long hours. Both us work long hours. Only the first variant is correct. We must use of after both when it's followed by an objective pronoun. I saw them both at the concert. I saw both them at the concert. The first variant is correct. The objective pronoun may go before both without a preposition. If it follows both, it requires the preposition of, so you can say I saw both of them at the concert.
You can find the online version of this quiz in my blog, so you can do it yourself, or if you're a teacher, you can offer it to your students. So the link is in the description of this video.
Both we like classical music. We both like classical music. The second variant is correct. Both goes after a personal pronoun. We're both happy. We both are happy. Generally, the first variant is considered correct. However, the second variant might be acceptable if you want to put an additional emphasis, but the second variant is far less common. They have both achieved success. They both have achieved success. An auxiliary or a modal goes before both, so the first variant is correct. Neither of them came to the party. Both of them didn't come to the party. Only the first variant is correct because both is never used in a negative sentence, only neither or either. Another example, I didn't like either of them. And finally, a very popular structure with both. Which variant is correct? I like both apples and oranges. I like both apples as well as oranges. Technically, both variants are correct, but the second one is considered a bad choice. The classical construction is both and. Using as well as with both creates confusion.
By the way, if you want to increase your vocabulary significantly on the most popular topics such as crime and punishment, appearance and character, comparative and superlative adjectives, you can do it with the help of my mini courses, which you can find on my website, so the link is in the description. This is all for now. I hope you have learned something new and this video helped you learn something new. I'm always happy to see your likes and comments, and I'm always ready to answer your questions. Please write your questions in the comments as well. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do it right now. Goodbye!